Hi guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you know of whenever I upload. Today's video is going to be a Q&A. I asked you guys to ask me some questions on my Instagram so that I can answer them and do like a little updated Q&A type of thing, because the last time I did a Q&A or a get to know me Q&A, which is what I'm doing, was when I first started my channel, which was like what, 4 years ago? When I was in, I think, 10th grade, so that's like 4 years ago or something at this point. I've gained a lot of new subscribers, followers. I mean, not that many, but a couple more, and I feel like you guys don't really know me. Plus, I'm very inconsistent in uploading, but I promise I am back and popping because it's summertime, period. Anyways, that's what we're gonna be doing today, so let's get right on into these questions. So I have all the questions here on my phone. It's on my Instagram. Let me go to my story. If you guys want to be in the next Q&A, or if you guys want to follow me, see what I'm doing when I'm not on YouTube, make sure to follow my Instagram. It's on the screen right here. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter. I mean, I don't really do much on Twitter, but yeah, be sure to follow my Instagram because that's where I am active. That's where I'm active the most. The first question somebody asked me was, what is my favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. Actually, I have on a yellow tube top. I just pinched myself, y'all. But my favorite color is yellow. I have on a yellow tube top right now, so yellow is my favorite color. Next question is, how old are you? I'm 21 years old. Just turned 21 in April, you know. Legal. All right, next question. Somebody asked me, where am I from? I'm from Maryland. I live in Maryland. It's in my Instagram bios. That's what my pageant title is, Maryland. I'm not gonna say where in Maryland because that's none of your business, and I don't need you guys coming to stalk me. Somebody asked me, is that all of your natural hair or is part of it fake? This is all my hair, and all my photos you see if my hair is straight or if it's curly. It's all my hair. Yes, it's all my natural hair. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, all of this is my hair. It's very shrunken up right now, but your girl has some little inches, you see? My hair stretches out all the way out there. My hair is very long, so. Somebody said, do you like hot potatoes? Why would you ask me that? I look like potatoes. Where's the hair? I like potatoes, so yeah. Next question is, are you in college? If so, where do you go? Yes, I am in college. I go to Towson University. I am a junior this year. This coming fall I will be a senior, so woo, woo, woo. Also, if you guys want any like school related videos, college related videos, my experience at Towson, all that jazz, just make sure you comment that down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. I actually am going to do a Towson experience video, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Next question is, what is your favorite thing to do? Honestly, I literally do not like when people ask me this question because I don't really know. Like, probably watch YouTube videos because I'm legit on YouTube 24/7, 25/8, 369 a year. Yes, I know there's not 369 days in a year. Do not come for me because that was a joke. Question, what is your favorite fruit? Watermelon. My goodness, I love me some watermelon, y'all. If you ever see me or if you ever want to get me a gift, buy me some watermelon because I absolutely love watermelon. If you ever buy me watermelon, if you ever bring me watermelon, I will cry because I can eat watermelon all day long. Like, after this video, I'm going to that you had. Would you ever travel outside of the country? Yes, I have traveled I have traveled outside of the country before. I've been to Canada and the Bahamas. Bahamas is out of the country, right? I would like to go to other places outside of the US too, so stay tuned. Y'all are know. Next question. Ooh, people ask me some pageant questions. Next question says, why are you so into pageants? I hate when people text me. I love the confidence that it gives. You meet so many new people, make a lot of connections, make great friendships, and overall it's just a positive environment. Everyone's so sweet, welcoming, and it's amazing. And then it's also inspiring to see a lot of women doing great things, being great role models and leaders for our country, their states, their towns, anywhere, whatever you're representing. It's amazing to hear the backstory of why they got into pageants, or what inspired them, or what do they do for a living. Everything is just so inspiring, and that's why I'm into pageants. Another pageant question, it's from the same person, but they said, what pageant title do you have now and what does it stand for? So currently I am the USA National Miss Maryland 2019. Let me get my sash, because you know I gotta throw my sash in here for one time. Here's my sash. Like I was saying, I'm the USA National Miss Maryland 2019. This is what my sash looks like. She's so cute. This is what the crown looks like. It has like some pineapples. It has little pineapples in the front, and then the back is just regular crystals, I guess you would say. But yeah, that's my crown and sash. What does it stand for? I don't know if you mean like, what does my pageant, I don't exactly know what you mean by what does it stand for, but I guess I can interpret this. I'm gonna interpret it as asking like, what does the pageant system I'm in stand for? So USA National Miss stands for a lot of things, especially promoting anti-bullying with our national platform, women empowerment, girl empowerment, just uplifting girls, making people the best versions of themselves, being confident, beautiful, strong, amazing, wonderful, powerful, everything positive in the book that you can stand for. UNM is such a positive pageant system, and I'm so thankful to be a part of it. I could not have imagined it any other way. This is my second year in UNM, which is why, and I decided to come back another year because it's just so amazing. It's so wonderful. I encourage every young girl, if you are thinking about being in a pageant, or you're scared to do a pageant, you want to do a pageant, you've thought about it, but you're hesitant, I encourage you to do it because it's so fun. You meet, like I said, you meet so many new friends, make so many new friendships, and who doesn't want to have a lot of friends from across the country, across your state, across your city? Like, it's so amazing. All right, next question is, what is your goal in life? My goal in life is to, it didn't say like in terms of what, so it's very broad, specific. So one of my goals in life is to have my own successful beauty business. I currently have a lash extension business, but I haven't, like, I'm working on relaunching it so that it's much better, and I'm not gonna be just doing lash extensions. I'm gonna be offering other services and other products as well. So I'm super excited for that. I also want to get into doing my own clothing business. I just wanna be successful. The last question that I have that I'm gonna answer today is, it says, why do you look so mean? I hope I don't look mean. I promise I'm not a mean person. As you guys can see from my videos, I'm a very nice person. I'm cheery. I'm happy. Yep. I'm happy. I'm fun. I'm energetic, upbeat, blah, blah, blah. Hopefully I don't look mean. If I do look mean, I'm sorry. If anybody ever sees me and you want to say hi, like, I'm not mean at all. Like, I would literally be like, hey, oh my God! So those are all of the questions that I'm going to answer today. Just kind of like a little mini Q&A session, if you will. I didn't want to make it too long. Yeah, that is it. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and commenting down below. Make sure your post notifications are turned on, as well as being subscribed to the channel so that you do not miss out on another upload of mine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.